morning, baby girl. What you doing? Oh, the crate's empty because everything got clean. Yeah, everything got clean. Yay! Scratch, 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 scratch. Good morning, everybody. I am up. I only got about 2 hours until I'm going to get to work. So I got to get a cup of coffee, get the video done up, take them for walks, and try to make as much of a vlog as I can before I'm gone for 9 hours and I can't do anything. Yeah, it's my life. Alright, get little man out for a walk quick. And then Priya, I think we're going to try to take a full lap. It's not too bad right now. It's 82 degrees. The humidity's up, so something is back in there clicking through the woods. Who knows what? Oh, what do you think, little man? What you thinking, blinking? Nature, it's awesome. Yeah, he's found his way back under the bed, by the way, even all the stuff I've done. Yeah, it's little baby girl's time now. Yes, at age. She didn't want to get off the couch, though. She's like, the hell is that? Catbird? Lots of birds. Oh, no. Wow. Let's see if I can... Wow. Okay. Wow. Never know you're going to find a light pole around here. I think he was trying to eye you up, little one. Come on. No, no, no. No, 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 no. You didn't learn your trick from almost choking to death yesterday. I don't know what she got. Terry doesn't even know what she got yesterday, and she choked on it really bad. So, scary moments. Guess it's all part of Basset Hound ownership. This is the spot that we had problems yesterday. Car went by. Come on, come on, baby, let's go. I can't be filming with you not freaking go. Come on, walk. Gotta start walking there, kid. Yeah, so last night I struggled for a good portion of the sunset, keeping the drone from turning. I don't know what was going on last night, and then finally, after about a dozen corrections, it finally decided to aim at the sun. So I don't know what was going on there. I really contemplated how I wanted to post that, and I had really no good choice. I sped it up, and then backed it off quite a bit to fit the song, which of course I got copyright on that. I knew I was going to, because that was the theme from Fringe. But yeah, I don't know what was going on. So I had a couple problems yesterday. The damn thing hid from me, and you know, after reviewing the video from over Bowmanfield, the damn thing didn't go anywhere. I just couldn't. It lost connection to the phone to monitor it, so I had no clue where it was at, and I couldn't find it. I mean, I'm walking up and down Dyke, and I couldn't see it. It blended right in. I was, I'm not gonna lie, close to being in tears, because, like I said before, it's a lot of money to just disappear and fly away. Yeah, it's definitely clearing up for the day. I was gonna be considering it was gonna rain today, but now it's blue skies. Yay. Alright, first clip on the GoPro today. What are you guys thinking? What do you think of the GX7? I'm much happier with it on the video side than I am on the than I was with the Sony. Picture-wise, I'm a little struggling. I don't know that it is as good, and I kind of wonder what the next version will improve upon, with it being a CMOS stack sensor instead of just the CMOS 1-inch sensor. I don't know if that's where Sony's making the big difference. Don't get me wrong, the pictures are clear. They look good. But sharpness wise, I think the Sony did a little better in photos. But so far the Canon seems to be more stable. However, it looks like the Mark II does not have the same levels of stabilization as the Mark III. Looks like the Mark III, you have the choice of off, standard, and high, which high then crops the image in a little bit too much, I'm afraid. So I don't know. You know, got today's what, 21st. It comes out August 1st. With having my elite membership at Best Buy, I have extra days to decide whether or not I want to give give that one a try over top of this one. I don't know. It's just, I liked having a camera for taking photos, but that I can also do video with that's crisp and clear and stable. I mean, don't get me wrong, the GoPro does take photos, and it's got that super photo thing on it. Just never think of using it as a photography camera. Mainly as video camera. So. Trial and error, I'm just trying new things here. I'm probably going to end up pissing Best Buy off in the end, but keep taking camera. I told the girl, I said, I don't know how else to find out what's the best camera unless without trying it. And she's like, I agree, and you have that choice. So it doesn't sound like I'm going to get in trouble. But the one time when I had to exchange the GoPro bag, the girl stopped and went and talked to the manager first. I'm like, just got the damn thing, and it's already, the zipper's coming out of it. So I don't know what that was about. Maybe that was just a fluke deal. Oh, Mother Nature's bitching a storm up out there. Yes, she is. I think my lunch will be done just in time. Yeah, that's what's rolling in. "87 degrees outside." I don't know what the feel like temperature is though. Hold on a second, because I'm curious. Feels like 95. AKA sweat your ass off. Never did get that thunderstorm. I said to Brian when I was talking to him, I said, I think it's just going to kind of slide past us, and that's exactly what it did. It just kind of slid to the side of us. Time to head home. I'm thinking Fritos, buffalo chicken dip, and a cold beer. Healthy dinner. Healthy dinner. Terry made me an egg sandwich for breakfast this morning and made me a second one. I had that on my first break. Had nothing on my lunch, I had almonds on my lunch. So I did good today. Didn't eat much. Probably didn't drink enough either though. That's life. So it was busy. It was definitely, you know, people are definitely out and about trying to get out of the, honestly, I don't know why you're leaving the house. Personally, I don't think I've ventured to a store today myself. Swimming pool maybe, but not a store. I haven't charged this thing since yesterday when I fully charged it. And I still have a full battery. And I'm not going to do a sunset flight. I just wanted to kind of see what it does here, because this is kind of colorful back here. Kind of neat. Taking Moo for a nightly walk. And then Sissy, unfortunately, remember I said she choked on something yesterday? Well, we had a little problem today. She went number 2 this morning, but hasn't gone since. And she struggled big time this morning with me trying to go, and so I'm going to take her for a nice slow long lap next. So I'm going to actually do a night flight though. I want to do some low light testing tonight, so that's how I'm doing things. I gotta get myself something to eat because almonds just ain't gonna cut it all night long. Right, buddy? Almonds just ain't gonna do it, man. Alright, that's the best of hamster. See if we can get this little thing to go. Come on, we're not foraging right now. Let's go. Come on. It's called a walk for a reason. It's not called a sniff or a forage or a smorgasbord. Okay, I'm not turning the camera off. I'm going to let her sniff around for a minute because it is lightning like crazy over here. Watch, it'll stop again. There it goes. Got that. said, I don't hear anything after it. So I don't know if it's just from the heat. Wow. Okay, I gotta have more hand. Okay, maybe I am hearing little boom booms behind it now. Maybe we should be walking. No, you cannot have my dinner. You cannot have my dinner! Which happens to be buffalo chicken dip and Fritos. Yeah. I'm eating healthy, guys. Anyway, and I'm washing it down with a Bud Light lime. Anywho, thank you very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, thumb up if you like today's video, and I will see you in the morning. I don't know. It is on my lip. The fan's blowing something. Good night.